What's going on, guys? So in this video I'm going to be unboxing the new HyperX QuadCast mic. So the audio you can hear now is actually from the HyperX mic, so this is what you would expect it to sound like. And see, in the box we have a few random papers, and I don't really need this, so let's just chuck them to the side. And so in the box we have the mic itself, and my first impression, like, this thing is huge, like compared to my other mic. I'll show you in a bit. So it comes with a USB Type-C cable, which is lovely. Everything should be USB Type-C now, and also comes with a little mount. And here is the mic itself. It does come on the stand. I'm going to unplug my Razer Siren X, take it off, and then I'm going to connect the new mic, which does fit nicely, and my arm mount doesn't have any issues with it. And here I'm just going to connect the cable to make sure that it's not loose, because my previous cable for my other mic was quite loose. And yeah, it's working perfectly fine. So as you guys can see, this is how big it is compared to my Razer Siren X, which is still a pretty good mic, but I don't know why this one is so big. It also has a shock mount, which is pretty cool. And this is how the Razer Siren X mic sounds like without any editing. So this is how the HyperX mic sounds like without any editing. If you guys enjoyed this unboxing, please drop a like and subscribe. It really helps with the channel.